Honk if you love the ABC. We are here in Bradfield because Mr. Fletcher is our member. This is a safe Liberal electorate. The community of Bradfield love their ABC.
I mourn the loss of the ABC that was before Minister Fletcher got his hands on it.
Mr. Fletcher, are you up there? You're the communications minister, but you can't communicate with your electorate.
Minister Fletcher, you are wrong. You've taken away $84 million and you have given the ABC no choice but to sack 250 people.
We are over the cuts. Restore the ABC to a well-funded, strong and independent national broadcaster.
The ABC does not take advertisement and is answerable to nobody except the people of Australia.
He has not listened to us. He has not heard the hundreds of people who have run the ABC. It's got to happen now.